Hello, my name is Yasir Ismail. I'm a software engineer from last 5 years in creating a lot of CMS solutions or static websites or other full stack platforms and experience in software with 5 years of building full stack scalable and AI powered web application using React.js, Next.js, Node.js, Django, and modern DevOps tool. I have strong expertise in front-end architecture, backend microservices, AI ML integrations, PDF parsing, vector search with Pinecone, Hugging Face, LMS, and Kafka event-based, event-driven systems. I have created a lot of microservices at the backend. Also, I'll integrate that on the front end. Proven record of increasing app performance by 30% and reducing the load time by 40%. I adopt agile methodology, cross-functional collaboration, and mentoring teams. So my skills include React.js, Next.js, Redux Toolkit, TypeScript, JavaScript, Tailwind, CSS, HTML5, CSS3, SAS, and Gatsby. On the backend, I have experience in Node.js, ExpressJS, Nest.js, Django REST framework. For AI/ML, I use the Hugging Face LMS, OpenAI MMS, LLMs, Microsoft Azure AI, Pinecone, Vector DB, PDF embedding system, semantic search. For microservices, I use Kafka, event-driven architecture, REST APIs, and GraphQL WebSockets. Database, I have experience on Postgres, MongoDB, PGSQL, or I have MS SQL, or other than that, SQLite. For testing, I use Jest or Reg testing library mostly. For designing, I have experience on designing on Figma, and as far as my experience is concerned, started my uh, experience. I started my career from Oric businesses in 2029 to 2020 as a junior front-end developer, where I spent nearly 1 year working on the design conversion of from Figma to web, pixel perfect design conversion. After that, I moved to Intel.org. It's a project-based job. I worked on there for a VidDAO. VidDAO is a YouTube analytics site where you can get the a lot of data of YouTube, like which hashtag is going trending and which video is getting how much views and some these type of stats there. So after completing that, I moved to Legends, where I started as a graphic designer and front-end developer both. I created UI UX there, and after working nearly 2 years there, I got experience in front-end and back-end both. In front-end, I worked on React, Next, and on back-end, I worked on Django Python. So where I worked on a lot of tools like Intel platform. It's a cybersecurity platform which can hold network of the organization and get plenty of data, big data, and we have to show that data and we have to do an analysis of that. These are kind of things, and we have to block that malicious files or malicious networks or malicious internet calls which user is going to access. So after that, I joined Mentrix in 2023, where I'm working as a software engineer, AI and full stack, where I mostly worked on the AI-based features for cybersecurity suits and integrating them with the LLMS and train the model and do the AI things with that. We also build intelligence pipelines to parse PDF embedded with Hugging Face stored in Python and retrieve and answers using semantic search. On spread adoption of Next.js with SSR, boosting SEO, reducing payload by 40%, created dynamic rack components with Redux optimizing the usability across the products. So that's all I have experience in the backend, and I have worked on a lot of projects like Hey Iris. You can search that. It's a conversational AI interface with real-time powered ML powered assistant. Hotel management system. Plaxar, it's an e-commerce platform. You can search that. It's for the Celtec organization. We also created a data management system, PDA admin, internal management system, Studio, Brilliance websites, Mantic XDR, Delil, Leica. It's the auditing firm, and we have created a lot of things for them too. So the certification I have advanced React.js certification, advanced JavaScript certification from Meta, JavaScript algorithm and data structure, certification from Free Code Camp. I also have SEO or build and deploy certification from AWS. That's all I have my experience, and that's all from my introduction. Thank you.